Becker's waiting for his loot. Are you in position?
Armored car pulling up now. Puppies are in position.
No change to the routine. 2 guards. One's opening the back, the other is going in to pick up the money. Distraction time. Send out the vamp.
Oh, I just want to give that noggin a little scratch.
Guard 2's leaving the store early. He forgot something. Activate Limper.
Oh no, little guy's hurt.
Nice one, Limper. Wait, Guard 1 is all petted out.
Hey, those dogs are robbing us!
They're not gonna get away in time.
Step on my foot, now!
The loot is en route.
What is this? Did you rob an armored car? Why'd you do that? You can't bring this to me. They put tracers in these bags. No potato chips for this. I trained you very specifically for petty theft only.
You're going down, Becker. This is for the puppies and anyone who might benefit financially from proof of their innocence.
Oh, you bit the wrong hand, Pally.
You're under arrest.
Oh, thank goodness you're here. These dogs just happened to roll a wagon full of money into my warehouse.
Wow, lucky break for us. Wish we could meet a hero like you every day. Mind if we take this money back?
This was a mistake from the start. You can't out-weasel a weasel.
Sure you can. You just need backup weasels.
Des, you brilliant plastic human facsimile!
I didn't ask for any of this. I'm a hero. I got nothing to do with him.
Is that doggy committing wire fraud on your laptop?
Thank yous for banking with Switchblade Curly's Loan Sharking Repository.
Whoa, what a crazy coincidence.
Their criminal master is under arrest, but these canine heroes are sure to get off with paw roll. As Becker's victims come to reclaim their stolen goods, they're also taking home some puppy love. I'm Marcia Crinkle. For goodness sakes, look how cute this little guy is. Oh, wait, I get one too?
I mean, wow, what a cow! I have never seen this much puppy love in one shot! Look at him bloop! What is this one here?
He feels he's owed something.
And I owe you two something. Ka-ching!
I'm not even gonna do an I hate to say I told you so bit. Why is the number so small?
10 cents on the dollar. We worked for puppies and didn't even make enough to pay the rent on our garbage storefront.
Aw, he wants to help you feel better. It's what puppies do best.
I love noises and colors! Nice buzzer beater, baby. That puppy love spike from you is worth a pre-round ka-ching boost.
Oh no, you are mistaken. This is not puppy love.
Sure, must be broken. We'll go back to the amount where you couldn't pay rent.
Okay, fine. I may be starting to like the guy, just a little. But no more puppy love missions.